Hello, my nickname is Lid and this is my unboxing of the new OnePlus 9. You can see all the sides of the box. Nice red color. Easy to open, should be. Let me slice the seals. Okay, done. And let's open the box. Okay, here is the phone and the box. Let's take the phone out. This is the Winter Mist edition of the phone. The phone comes nicely packaged, as you can see. Hasselblad cameras and everything. I will put it aside and let's see what else is in the box. A wrapper, a clear case. That's always nice to see. This is the European version of the phone. Here is the 1 meter red USB Type-C to Type-C cable. I did not know that it was both sides Type-C, but that's alright. Let's see the fast charger, also Type-C. And let's see if there's more stuff inside. Okay, I don't think this is supposed to come out. No, it does not want to come out. Maybe here. Yeah, I guess this is the part that should come out. The SIM tray ejector and the letter from the founder, Pete. Okay. Next, quick start guide. Highest SAR value. Okay, that's the information about the radiation and thermals of the device when used. Safety information leaflet. Product ID. Okay. This does not come out. So I guess it's meant to be inside. Yeah, it's just cardboard. And that seems to be everything that comes in the box. Let me just return those leaflets back into the box. And let's check the phone a little bit further. Okay. So, take it out of the packaging and here it is. might be a fingertip magnet, but I'll get some better case for it. Looks great. Okay, and the charger and the cable and the case. That's all for it now. Thank you guys for watching this unboxing. Please like the video if you liked it, and find me on Gaming Tribe, other social networks, maybe Twitter, or join a party of PUBG with me. Have a good rest of your day, and bye.